By 8, it reads, given that A is equals to 3, 2, 5, 4, B is equals to N, 2, 4, minus 2, C is equals to X, 4, 5, 3, and D is equals to K plus 1, 6, 2, K plus 2. Find the inverse of A. So the first question, it wants us to calculate the inverse, or to find the inverse of the matrix A. So to calculate the inverse, to find the inverse of A, to find the inverse of A, we must find the determinant. Find determinant of A. So the determinant of A, our matrix is 3, 2, 5, and 4. So we are to find the determinant of A. That's the starting point. So determinant is equal to AD minus BC is equal to determinant. So this formula is from the assumption that a matrix is given in the order A, B, C, and D. So we say to calculate the determinant, we need to multiply A by D, and you subtract the product of C and D. So that's where this formula came from. So in this case, 3 is our A, this is our B, this is our C, and this is our D. So we are going to say determinant is equal to A, which is 3 times 4. You need to put these values in bracket in case one of these may have a negative and you ended up confused with the negative on the number and the negative on the formula. So you need to put these numbers inside the bracket such that you trace the signs in your expression. So now the determinant is going to be 12 minus 10. So determinant is equal to 2. Subtracting 10 from 12, we get 2. So this is the determinant. Now for the inverse, what you do is you say 1 over your determinant, then A and D exchange their positions. So where A was placed, we put D, and where D was, we put A, and then B and C, they just change their signs. So if they were positive, they are going to be negative. If they were negative, they are going to be positive. So in this case, the inverse of A is going to be like 1 over 2, our determinant, which is 2. So this is 2 for the determinant. And D is going to take the position of A. So we are going to have 4 here. Then 3 is going to take the position of D. So we are going to have 3 here. We had 2 positive 2, we had positive 5 here. So they are going to change their sign. This one is going to be negative and this one is going to be negative. That will be the inverse of the matrix. So that's it.